Hello friends, welcome to Mother's Kitchen. How are you? Today I am sharing with you litti chokha recipe. Litti chokha is Bihar's and Jharkhand's traditional dish. So we will prepare in a 3 step. First step we will make chokha. So here is the ingredient for chokha. We need 1 bangan, 3 tomatoes and 2 garlic cloves. First we have to cut the bangan from the center and check it. It's a good bangan, so I am keeping here 2 garlics in the center. Now just apply some oil on the tomato and bangan and keep in the air fryer for roasting for 20 to 25 minutes on 400 Fahrenheit. You can roast on a gas stove, but please flip over in every 5 minutes. Meanwhile our bangan and tomato is roasting. So here I am preparing litti dough. I am taking 1 cup of laddu flour and 2 cup of wheat flour. Now add mustard oil, which is 2 tablespoons, ajwain and salt, and I am taking here butter also. You can skip it. Mix it well and now add some lukewarm water and knead it to make a medium soft dough. I used a half cup of water for dough. Cover the dough and keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. After 5 minutes I am turning bangan and tomatoes and it will be roast for next 5 minutes. So let's make a filling for litti. Here I have 1 cup of sattu. I am adding salt and I have crushed ginger garlic. So I am adding that, and now I am adding 1 green onion, chopped green onion, green chili. You can add coriander also. I am adding here coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric. Now I am adding mustard oil. You can take more mustard oil if you like, otherwise you can take water and make a paste. Filling is ready now. So bangan and tomato is cooked very well. Take a boiled potato into a bowl and mash it, and peeled bangan and tomato you can mix with the potato. Now we will fry it. So let's take a pan with the 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I'm adding garlic, ginger. Saute it for 1 minute and add green chili, curry patta, and again saute it for half minute. Now I'm adding here garam masala, turmeric, coriander powder and red chili powder and saute it. Now I'm adding here fried onion, which is I have. You can use fresh onion if you like. Just mix it well and add here chokha and just saute for half minute and add salt at the last. Chokha is ready and transfer in a bowl and garnish with the green onion. Now time to make a litti. Take a small portion of dough. Roll the dough ball to make a 4 to 5 inch circle. Now keep 1 tablespoon of filling in the center of the dough and bring the ends together and give a ball shape. Make all the litti like this. All littis is ready here. I am roasting in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons ghee into a pan and keep 4 to 5 littis into a pan and covered it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we have to turn it and roast it again for next 5 to 10 minutes. Now some of the litti I am roasting in a air fryer. So grease the baking tray and add 6 to 7 littis on a baking tray and bake for 15 to 20 minutes on a 400 Fahrenheit. After 5 minutes turn it and apply some ghee on the top of littis and turn on air fryer again. After 18 minutes littis are ready. One is we roast in the pan and that one is the air fryer. Transfer in a bowl and pour the ghee with the spoon. Our traditional litti chokha is ready. It's cooked properly. It's crunchy. You can see it's looking very tempting. So try it and enjoy in the lunch. Share my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.